warm welcome to one and all to Forward Storytelling Room. Today we have with us Jaren Susan John, the author of the book The Curls. She was in the fashion industry for 4 years. Later, she joined the art Linism. From then on, Linism art has been her core strength and support. When today, if she's the author of the book, it's just because of art Linism. She was not a good reader, she was not a good learner, nor a good writer. But today, she's the author of the book. It is her willingness to be unique and bring up her own identity made her write this book. Her determination allowed the universe to support her. Without much wait, let me welcome Jaren Susan John to the storytelling room. Hello, Jaren. Welcome to Storytelling Room. Yes, I was telling my audience who you were. You are from the fashion industry who was there for 4 years. Later, you got into the Linism art. Then now today you're an author. And more to this, she's a mother of two, which just, it's a beauty to add on. So yes, so let's hear from you what is Curls about.
Curls. First of all, hi everyone.
Yes.
Had a busy day. So coming to Curls. Curls is my first novel. It's a fiction, suspense thriller, love story, lot of drama in it. It's a emotional journey. It's about two friends who had an accident and they were saved by a long curly haired beauty, and it's their journey about finding who she is.
Okay.
So add on to the fact that they will find her eventually, but they will also end up finding themselves. How they have changed. It's a pretty good one. It's a
Yes,
pretty good
I
one.
heard it's a suspense thriller. So I think if you
Yes,
had to know more about it, the readers have to collect your book, fetch it, and
yes,
get their copy, isn't it? Yes.
yes,
So
definitely.
yes,
It's worth the read. It's definitely worth the
and
read.
yeah, something else which I found in the book was a Linism art. Can you just
Mhm.
explain what is Linism art?
Linism art is something which I evolved into. I'm an artist also. So Linism is something which I evolved into over the time. And I have applied it in each and every chapter. I have just captured a scene and not the realistic or any details, but just a glimpse of one of the scenes from the chapter. I'm just added on to it. So when the reader reads it, it just pushed their
Okay.
imagination.
Even before also you have put across your Linism art for sale and exhibited it.
Yes, Linism art was I was involved it in 2015, and I did a few exhibitions on that,
Yeah.
and I did sell a few art pieces.
Yeah.
But it here in the book, it has helped me to apply it to more
Explain the
viewers.
story more. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So this discovery of you being an author, you were not a good reader, not a good listener, or anything to academically, not that good. But today you are an author. How did this happen?
For those of you who don't know, I'm dyslexic and I'm not very sad or anything about it. There was a time which I actually traveled through the difficult phase, but now that is over and I accepted it fully. I say it out for a more educational purpose. So it actually took 35 years for me to reach here. It's just not overnight or a 1 month's journey. Um, it involved a lot of experience exploring. I read inverted. There is something called print inverted reading technique. So once when I was doing my masters, I actually discovered this
Okay.
is actually where I'm comfortable with. That
Uh-huh.
is when actually I explored my dyslexic part also. I actually during the childhood trauma and everything, I just pushed it back,
Yes,
and I
yes,
didn't
yes.
want to get
So
do anything with it.
art therapy helped you
Yes,
discover and yes.
yes. So
Okay.
I literally did a small section of art therapy in during my masters, and that's when I explored it. Yeah, it literally came out of
Okay.
the. I literally poured out,
Okay.
and I started exploring it. So it took quite a few years for me to
Okay.
accept it and explore it and things like that.
And
It was quite a rocking journey, and
yes.
it went well. It went well.
And today, when you're an
So
author, how do you look into it? How this success has been your achievement? How do you look into it?
success to me, being a dyslexic where I couldn't actually write a word, to write a 73K word, that is a big success to me, regardless of how many copies I sold or anything. And the best part is my people around me are very proud of me. They
Yes.
actually know me for who I am. They would know me, what all I went through. So when I told them I'm writing a book, that itself was,
A
very,
massive support. Yeah, it was a good
yes,
support from
I
all
had
of you.
all the support in the world from everyone. So when
And
they hold the book
how
and
was
it
your
actually,
husband and your children with this? Because you're married, you have home, you have your work at home and everything, managing a family. And beside all this, you had to write also. So how do you manage all this and how was the support from the family?
support from the family, I am not in an imaginary world there, for typical realistic housewife which has two children, though very small, and I have a husband who literally helps me out for each and every small thing, just like any other house. Very loving, very supportive, as long as the time is not taken from them.
Yes,
So
yes.
if
So
I
how did you
have
manage
to
it?
make,
How did you fetch real time to write it's not a small book, it's a real, it's a good book. It's a suspense
yes, so
thriller book. You need to really get the thread, the suspense keep going on, till the last minute you had to keep that that anxiety kept on. So how do you do it?
it's mainly determination. It's like I will do it without I
Okay.
didn't want to lose me as myself as a person. Yes, I
Okay.
love being a mother, wife, everything, but still there is a part in me which is me.
It just
So I
took
didn't
three
want to
months
lose
for
it.
you to write. You started off in October and finished in February. You published it. So it was just 3 months time, in fact. So how was it possible?
It's like if there is a will, there is a way.
Yeah, okay,
So
definitely.
the journey is actually quite long. If you have to start, it's a quite long journey. I had a full support from my mom and my sis. They were ready
Okay.
to read whatever I was sending them. I
Uh-huh.
had my Google Doc, and I was writing even when I was feeding my child or putting her to sleep, or even when I'm scolding one. I literally had my phone, instead of chatting with anyone or checking on my Facebook or whatever. I was just literally on my Google Doc 24/7, not worrying about the spelling or the grammar or even the sentence formation. I
Okay.
literally first scribbled down whatever came to me,
So
that
technology
impulse
was
that
a
came
big,
to me.
yeah. So technology was a big aid for you.
Yes,
Big support,
definitely.
yes.
Then once the story was literally written down, then I actually focused on the editing, sentence formation. So I literally poured out my creativity first. Then I went. It was more of
How do you
self-discovering.
get
Like
it?
I didn't know
How did
where
you
I
get the
was standing.
proofreading? How do you get the proofreading done? Everything was online. How did you get the publisher? All that was like possible. It was
Everything, the authentic, the traditional authors are going to kill me if I say how I got my proofreading done. It was literally support from my family. I already told you that I was typing in Google
yes.
Doc. I send out screenshot every day of whatever I wrote, whatever that
Hmm.
improvement of the story. I send it out to my sister and my mother, and they would find the mistake immediately and they will send it back.
That's a great
So
family.
that
That's
was
a
the,
great support from your family. But besides
yes,
to
great support.
publish, you need an outsider's help. Outsourcing, you need an outsider's help. So how was it?
The if you're going with the traditional publishing, yes, there is a lot of procedures you have to follow. But this field is very tough. If you have to know, this field is very tough, and not all the there are a lot of people who write every day and try to approach the traditional publisher. Even I tried that, but I didn't get any response as expected, because nothing out of the blue, or
I think Amazon came for a good help for you. Amazon was a great help.
Yes,
took
then
up
I
it.
discovered about self-publishing in
Yes.
Amazon, the ebook. Yes, so I took it step by step. There were times when I had to go back and forth, back and forth. But people around me was quite supportive. I sent out a few days free download versions of ebooks. So I
Yeah.
literally had to beg everyone, please download my book. So they didn't know there
Yes.
was Kindle was with Amazon. So I literally had to educate them. This is how you do
Yeah.
it. So yeah, it
So
reached here.
yes.
Somehow I reached
So
here.
today, I mean, at this session, my audience will be inspired to write a book and publish their own book for sure, because your true story, being a dyslexic, writing such a bulk, well, it's a 200 pages book. It's not that easy to write, and it's a suspense thriller. You kept that anticipation going on, and so if you could able to do this, anyone can. And being the
Definitely.
technology and everything available today at ease of hand and a button away, nothing is impossible. So
True, true, true.
uh, on this note, I'll conclude this interview session with you. And thank you for taking time from your family. And I thank your family for allowing you to be with me today. And thank you so much for being here.
Thank
Uh,
you, Rosin.
Thank you.
It
Have a
was
nice
my
day.
pleasure.